ngeliatin tuh cangcing babenya. Ada yang naik apaan? Mpo Pira kagak tahu deh tuh namanya apaan ya. Kali ini Mpo Pira ada di Disneyland Hong Kong. Cus, lihat deh. Sekarang Mpo Pira lagi di Disneyland Hong Kong, lagi jalan-jalan. Aduh, bingung deh nih ngomong anak-anak. Sekarang lagi duduk dulu ya, karena capek banget. Oh ya, terus pantengin terus ya videonya Queen Safira Vlog. Jangan lupa kasih like, comment, and subscribe. Ditunggu ya, poncang, cing, babe, semuanya. Pokoknya dengerin deh di videonya Queen Safira Vlog tentang si Mpo Pira lagi jalan-jalan ke Hong Kong. Sekarang ada di Disneyland.
They just moved to the center. There is the best film.
please stay to make our either challenge sizes. Okay, and now, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Are you guys ready to get wet? Yeah. So let's get wet together. Alright, so now what can you see at the head of this? There are two elephants waiting for us over here. It's mother elephant and baby elephant. I think the mom is teaching how to walk. Guys! I'm just kidding. How you guys saw that key today? Alright, so now please turn off your lights. Turn on it, thank you. And now we are entering the temple. Shh. Be careful. Take a look on your left hand side. Look at those giants and horses spiders here. Did you know they can jump over 20 feet? But don't worry, we only have 10 feet away. If they jump, they will jump right over us. And over there is the elephant belt from Ganesha. Those pink cobras are the protectors. That one is the most dangerous and poisonous thing in the jungle. Be careful. Let's go. Alright, and now they are waiting for us over here. What's over there? There are so many crocodiles here, and they look very hungry. Please keep all your hands inside the boat. We call them crocodiles, but they call us dinner. I don't want to be them here. Let's go. And now we are going to visit Professor Pokoknye except. But they are at home today. Why there are so many crocodiles here? Now what are they doing? They're fighting the crowd. So dangerous. Put down your guns everywhere. I think we better leave now. Stay here. Alright, so baby, we are also here now. Welcome to the house with all kinds of animals. What animals can you see there?
Elephant.
There's zebras, giraffes, elephants. And elephants is number 2 most feared animals in the jungle. Let's say hi. Hello, African elephant. And the most feared animal. There she's getting angry again. Let's go. Don't stay here. Okay, and now I see other animals in the river. What's that? There are people. People have 6,000 pounds. Be careful, guys, on your right hand side. And the other side, the other side. I think I can smell it. Remember the shop you got today. Alright, so guys, so brave. These people came out of the river. I know they saw the secrets. And now they are chasing by the riders, so they are climbing on the tree. Okay, and now, please keep silent. Do you see all the screws here? Those are the head of the sign here. And I'm sorry to tell you guys, we are entering the head of the territory. Shh, someone there. Let me check. How do you get hit? Your rescue here? Okay, that's great. We're making it back to the door finally. Keep going straight and turn left. Nothing can stop us now. Go, let's go. Whoa! What's going on here? Oh my God, Sarah! Oh no, where did you have to go? There's a nice movie about a couple of fires and we're good. What should we do? We shouldn't be here. And then lava waves hit. I have no idea now. Oh no, please forgive us. I'm so sorry. We're trapped. Oh no, look at this. The ghost are getting angry. Oh no, they We're still alive. We're getting so big. Okay, and now before we come to the back, the baby elephants came here and say goodbye to us. Let's say goodbye to the baby elephant. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.